friends, what's up? Welcome to my channel, and if you've been here for a while, welcome back. If you're new, I hope you hit that subscribe button and you stick around. So in today's video, I was actually supposed to be filming my Morphe 25L Pride palette, but the palette shipped separately from the brushes, so I got the palette yesterday and I didn't get the brushes yet. And I really wanted to do a review of the brush set and the palette. I am taking that palette with me tomorrow to Columbus, so when I do the review I will have already used it, so it will not be a first impressions video, but that's neither here nor there. So today's video is going to be on this cutesy washing machine. It's got Doc McStuffins in it, on it. Like, that looks like Doc McStuffins, does it not? I don't know if it's supposed to be Doc McStuffins, but anyways, I got this Beauty Blender washing machine because I seen on Instagram somebody did a video, and I don't remember who it was, so I'm sorry, I would like to credit you for this, but they put water in this and they used their beauty blenders inside of this with soap to get their beauty blenders clean. So I decided to go on Amazon and order this. I only paid $4 for this, by the way. I don't know how well this is going to work, and I know people are paying way more than $4 or $5 for this. So if you guys want to see if this works or not, then please continue watching. Alright, you guys, so I'm in my bathroom. I do have some Zote soap. It's blue right there because it got stained, but this is what I put my clean my beauty blenders and my brushes with, and this is actually how it comes. So I've done a tutorial before on cleaning my brushes, and I let you guys know that I do use Zote soap. So if you guys want to know more about that, then check it out. I've got a cup here full of dirty beauty blenders. Look at that. Whoops. Dirty blenders. As I knock everything down. So we're going to start with this one. And I'm just going to put some water in the machine here. This cup does not want to stand. Alright, so we've got the washer machine, and I'm going to get the beauty blender wet, like that. I'm going to lather it up in the Zote soap. So you can actually see that it's trying to clean itself off inside of my soap. But I'm still going to put it in there because it's still dirty. Press the lid down here, and let's hit the button and see what happens. Ooh, it's struggling. Look at that water, though. Alright, I'm going to turn this off. And the sink is dirty from my beauty blender, so I'm just going to squeeze it out. Let me put this in there for a second time. It's sad that it's already struggling because I just put these batteries in here. Oh, I need more water. That's the problem. Oh, I thought it was the problem. There we go. It is really struggling, you guys. I think this is like just a cutesy thing because this is having a difficult time moving it around now that the beauty blender has grown in size. Alright. I'm going to squeeze this out. Alright, here is the beauty blender. Honestly, not bad. Not bad at all. So I'm going to bring my beauty blender cup over here that's so dirty. I'm going to pull this out. The little hose. So it can drain. Honestly, that is so time consuming. Wouldn't it be easier just to dump out the machine? I mean, you save your hands from getting super watery like, but you know, it's just as easy to clean your baby blenders with your hand. So I'm not saying run out and get this. It's just really cute. Really cute. Alright, Beauty Blender number 2. Alright, so you guys, do I think that you need to purchase this cute little machine? No, it is cute. It is fun. The concept of it was cute, but it's going to take you probably the same amount of time to clean your beauty blender, if not a little bit longer. But if you're just don't want to get your hands all messy, then this is a cute alternative. I definitely wouldn't pay like 20-30 bucks for it. You can find it somewhere on Amazon. Like I said, I paid $4 for mine, so that's just my quick review. Does it work? Kinda. Is it the greatest? No. Was it done for a cute idea? Yes, and for that reason I give it a thumbs up. It is super cute, and I had a review for you guys. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit your subscribe button and your bell notification so you're not missing out on any more videos here with my channel. And don't forget to check out my second channel, which is Shena's Life. Link down below. Head over there, subscribe, especially if you want to be a part of all of our craziness in our vlogs, because we will be vlogging Columbus Pride. We have Cleveland Pride already uploaded. So yeah, that's it. I love you guys, and don't forget to put a smile on your face, because it is truly the best makeup you can wear. I'll see y'all later.